to the ABC learning. Let's learn together. A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for banana. B for banana. C is for cat. C for cat. G is for dog. D for dog. E is for elephant. E for elephant. F is for fish. F for first. G is for gold. G for gold. H is for hen. H for hen. I is for iron. I for iron. J is for jelly. J for jelly. K is for kids. K for kids. L is for lion. L for lion. L is for lion. L for lion. M is for monkey. M for monkey. N is for nest. N for nest. O is for owl. O for owl. Q is for killet. Q for parrot. Q is for queen. Q for queen. R is for rabbit. L for rabbit. S is for Santa. S for Santa. T is for tiger. T for tiger. U is for umbrella. U for umbrella. V is for vegetable. V for vegetable. W is for watch. W for watch. X is for x-ray. X for x-ray. Y is for yak. Y for yak. Z is for zebra. Z for zebra. Now I know my ABC. Now I know my ABC. Now I know my ABC. Now I know my ABC, kids.
Hello kids, what's up? Ready to learn your ABC? Because learning ABC is going to be awesome. A for apple. A for apple. Yeah, it's cool. B for bat. B for bat. Yahoo! Fun! C for cat. Oh, it's so cute. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. It sounds bow bow. E for elephant. E for elephant. It's so big. F for flower. F for flower. G for grapes. G for grapes. It's yummy. H for heart. H heart. I for ice cream. Ice cream. Ooh, it's cold. J for juice. Juice. Yum. K for kitten. K for kitten. Little kitten. L for letter. L for letter. M for monkey. Say it with me. Monkey. M for monkey. N for nuts. Nuts. N for nuts. O for orange. Big orange. P for potato. Yum, potato. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for robot. R for robot. S for snake. Snake. Yahoo! That was fun. T for tiger. Tiger. T for tiger. U for uniform. Uniform. Say it with me. Uniform. V for vase. V for vase. W for water. Water. W for water. X for X-ray. X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Say it with me. Zebra. Awesome job today, superstars. That was fun. See you next time. Don't forget to practice. Catch your letters. Bye bye now, ABC Rockstars.
Welcome to the ABC learning. Let's learn together. A is for apple. A for apple. A is for apple. A for apple. B is for bed. B for bed. B is for bed. B for bed. C is for cat. C for cat. C is for cat. C for cat. D is for dog. G for dog. D is for dog. G for dog. E is for elephant. E for elephant. E is for elephant. E for elephant. F is for frog. F for frog. F is for frog. F for frog. G is for goat. G for goat. G is for goat. G for goat. H is for hat. H for hat. H is for hat. H for hat. I is for igloo. I for igloo. I is for igloo. I for igloo. J is for kids. K for is for umbrella.